All right, now that it's a little colder outside, to get the furnace on, make sure that these two little knobs here, you can twist them to left to loosen them and slide them forward. And then this piece lifts up. The propane tank that you want, just make sure it's twisted to the left. You can see we've got the gauge on this one. And then at the front, this whole thing just slides off. At the front, you got this lever here. It's pointing to that tank, so that's the one that's going to be used. And we can switch it to the other tank. And then that would be the tank that's on. Since this tank right now is empty, the other one is full, I'll switch it back over. Then you can come inside. And on the thermostat, so we put it to whatever temperature you want. Slide this from off over to heat, and that's all there is to it.